Hello everyone, I'm back with another new video on Guidepad Academy. I hope you are all doing very well. In today's video, we are going to discuss about this some paid internship that is actually available right now. And guys, you have to be a grab that because it is a very good opportunity of an internship. And this internship is already approved by the AICTE and Indian government also. But before starting the video, make sure that you share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues and the students who really wanted to start their career with internship, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you will never miss any update from us side, and also you will get a notification of upcoming videos. So let's get started. The first internship is for the full stack development internship. This internship is for building full stack integrated web application for the smart manufacturing. This internship is offered from the Zencastr. This internship type is a virtual internship, guys, and this internship location is a pan internship. Start immediately means when you apply, and if you got selected the next day or upcoming next Monday, it will be start immediately. This internship goes up to 10 weeks, and also you get the 14,000 per month stipend from this internship. So it is a very good opportunity to learn the how the industry level full stack web application work, how we can develop. You should have to apply before the 4th May 2025. You will be see here the who can apply. Anywhere from the India you can apply. From any specialization you can apply for this internship. If you are a graduate student and if you are a BE BTech student, you can apply. There is a no problem. The duration, as we discussed, the duration is a 10 weeks, and also you have to be interested to learning, developing, and solving the real world problem. The number of opening is a 20 openings available for this internship. The next internship is offered from the same Zencastr, and this is the data analytics internship. The students who are pursuing their career in data analytics and the students who wanted to kickstart their career in data analytics, this internship opportunity is good for them. This is the automating data analytics in a metal casting with a Python. So this internship is type is also same. It is a virtual internship. The location is a pan India. The starting date is a immediately start. After your selection, you will be start immediately. The duration is a 8 week. You get a stipend up to 10,000 rupees per month. You have to be apply this internship, guys, within the 14th May 2025. You get a hands-on experience in a real-world project with a real-world industry exposure also. You get the brief idea about the automation, IoT, and also you get the increase your network opportunity with this company also. Like as a previous internship, you can anywhere of India you can apply. There is no restriction for the specialization for this internship. Duration is a 8 week, and you should have to be a relative skill and interest. For this internship, you should have to be a good skill in a data analytics and also a Python. And for this internship, there is a opening is a 28 opening available for this internship. So students who want to start their career in data analytics, grab this internship. In this video, guys, there is a more data analytics internship is available, so watch this video till the end. The next internship opportunity is for the full stack developer, that is a software engineering, and this internship location is a Patna, so it is a offline internship. It is not a virtual internship, guys. The internship type is a full-time internship. Also it is starting date is immediately. The duration is internship is a 12 months. See guys, you get a chance to do a internship for 1 year with a one company at a location at a Patna, and also stipend is 8,000 rupees per month. You should have to be apply this internship before the 5th May 2025. If you scroll down, there is a certain criteria for this internship. You have to be a BE BTech or equivalent from a BE BTech also. Your specialization should be a computer science and engineering, also computer science with a business system engineering, computer science with a AI, computer science with a information technology. So you have to be done your graduation in a computer science related field. And also there is a full-time opportunity, so you get the daily 10 a.m. to 5 a.m. working hour with their team. So this is a very good opportunity, guys. There are two openings available for this internship. The next internship again is a data analytics internship. The starting date is immediately. The duration is a 6 month, and you get a stipend 7,000 rupees per month. In this internship, you will be learn the essential tool like a Python, how to use a Python, R, SQL, along with the libraries such as a Panda, NumPy, MetaLab, and much more. Also, you get the knowledge of the how we can do a data manipulation and visualization. The stipend is a 7,000 rupees per month. Who can apply for this internship? Anywhere from the India, any specialization. If you are graduate or BE BTech, you are definitely apply for this internship. Go through, guys. This is a very good internship also. The duration is a 6 month for this internship, And also as the same, you have to be a some relative skill and interest. For the relative skill, you should have to be a some knowledge of the Python, SQL and data analytics tool, and also such a library as the pandas. 80 openings available for this internship. The next internship is the optimizing production through advanced data analytics skills. So this is also a data analytics internship provided by the Zencastr. This is a virtual type internship, guys. The location is a pan India. You can apply for the pan India. Starting date is immediately. Duration is a 8 weeks. Stipend you get the 13,000 rupees per month, and the last application date is the 13th April 2025. So you want to learn the data analytics with a higher stipend, then this internship opportunity is good for you guys. The total number is available internship is for the 20. So next internship is that the Python full stack internship. In this internship, you get a chance to work as a full-time with a location of Hyderabad. The starting date is immediately, duration is a 6 week, and also stipend is a 12,000 per month. The last date of application is 13 April 2025. In this internship, there is a criteria that you should be from a BE BTech background, and also there is a total 100 vacancy available for this internship. So apply as soon as possible. The next internship is that full stack development software development internship. This is the full-time internship opportunity. Location is a pan India. Starting date is immediately. There is a duration is a 2 month. Stipend is a 10,000 rupees per month, and last date of application is a 13 April 2025. In this internship, there is a total the 60 numbers are available for this internship, and also this is the little bit difficult internship among this all, because if you want to earn the certification and the stipend from this internship, you have to be a score above the 70.28% in their criteria. They will be give you some capstone projects, some demo courses and some test. So you have to be a score more than the 78.24% if you want to earn the stipend as well as a certification. The next internship is there's the data science internship with a stipend. So in this internship, the location is a Bangalore. So it is a Silicon Valley location, guys. So it is a very good. After completing this internship, you can easily find the job inside the Bangalore also. It is a full-time internship. Starting date is immediately. The duration is a 4 month. So duration is also very good. You will be learning more and more about the data science skill. The stipend is a 5,000 rupees per month. I know the stipend is a little bit low, but location is a very good, guys. Last date of application is a 30th April 2025. In this internship, there is a 50 openings are available for this internship. Data science internship. In this internship, you get a chance to earn a 50,000 rupees per month. Also, there is a duration is a 3 month. Starting date is immediately. You can apply from the All India, and the last date of application is 19 December 2025. The total openings are available for this internship is a 30. And the last internship of this video is the data science internship virtual. This is a virtual type of a internship. The duration is a 2 month. Stipend is 11,000 per month, and last day of application is a 31st May 2025. 30,000 openings are available for this internship, guys. So make sure that you apply the internship as per your skill, as per your education, and as per your comfort. And this all internship is certified with AICTE also. So you get a certification from the government of India, as well as you will be get a certification from a company. So this is all for the today's video. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful for you guys. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, family, and also the person who really wanted to start their career with internship. Meet you on our next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.